If you're using Monday CRM and manually texting new leads, this integration can completely automate that process for you. In this workflow, we're connecting Monday.com and SalesMSG through Make.com to automatically send an SMS the moment a new lead is created. And then we're logging that communication directly back into our Monday CRM automatically. Let me show you how it works. First, I'm going to create a brand new lead inside our Monday CRM. As I fill this out, I'm entering the name as Zane Star Company as Wix, title as CEO, email is zane@wix.co, and then I'll also add a phone number. Now, once this lead is created, the automation immediately triggers in the background. And this is where the integration really becomes powerful, because instead of relying on a sales rep to manually send a text message, Make automatically pushes the lead information into SalesMSG and sends the SMS instantly. Now, if we jump into the activity section inside our Monday CRM, you'll also see the communication is being tracked automatically. So now your sales team has visibility into exactly what communication happened and when. Now, let's take a look at the Make scenario powering this workflow. At a high level, the process is pretty straightforward. First, Make receives the new lead information from our Monday CRM. Then we create variables to grab the exact data we need, like the lead name and phone number. After that, the scenario sends the SMS message using SalesMSG. And finally, the automation updates the activity section back inside our Monday CRM, so the communication stays fully documented. And this is where integrations like this become really valuable, because now Monday CRM isn't just storing lead information. It's actively helping your sales team engage leads faster and automate repetitive follow-up work. This is especially useful for sales teams where speed to lead matters, because the faster you engage a lead, the higher your chances are of getting a response. And with Monday.com, Make, and SalesMSG working together, that follow-up can happen automatically within seconds. If you want help building integrations like this for your business, we offer free discovery calls where we walk through your workflows and determine how to automate and scale them properly. You can book that call using the link below. And if you want more Monday.com integration and automation videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.